Good morning. My name is Irene Mendez and I'm working in the procurement department, and right now I'm going to give you a presentation about an improvement project of risks and opportunities management inside this department. First, these are the topics I'm going to talk about. I'm going to give a little introduction about the improvement project. Then I'm going to explain what risks and opportunities are, which current tool we're using now that it's failing, what is going wrong inside the procurement department, and how can we improve this project. So a risk is an uncertainty that if it occurs could have a negative impact inside the firm and for the achievement of the business objectives. An opportunity is the opposite. If it occurs, it will have a positive impact for the achievement of the business objectives. So right now we're using this tool. It's called ARM, and this is where we fill in the information about the risks or opportunities that the commodity managers find during their daily work, and they just have to fill the effect it can have, the impact, when it's going to happen, which supplier, which program, all the information needed to know how we can prevent such risk or how we can enhance such opportunity. However, the commodity managers found this tool a bit confusing because they first needed to fill in this Excel, and there was a lot of information that they did not feel like filling in, and they did not give the necessary information that actually was needed, or they just left some spaces blank, or they did not understand some parts. So what we saw inside the department, what we thought we needed was there was a lack of communication between departments or functions, so we needed to improve this. The risks and opportunities were not managed properly with the Excel file that the commodity managers had, and there was a lack of anticipation mindset leading for the opportunities and risks, and in order to prevent such events. However, we believe that if we implement a new process that we're going to show now, this is going to it's going to ensure information to everybody. Everybody's going to know what's happening and what's going to happen. There's going to be only one tool used for everybody. The Excel file, we thought it wasn't necessary anymore. And there is going to be a mindset about risks and opportunity manager inside the whole department. Therefore, what's the process about? So instead of using the Excel, we found this template, which we thought it was more visible and more accurate, and maybe it was easier for the commodity managers to fill in. It was just like writing their idea, but for answering some questions. So for example, first they need to say the title, the supplier, and it's all it has like an order, and it's very simple to fill in. So it would only take 5 or 6 minutes for them. And this is it's more specific, it's easier to fill in, it has a more complete range for information, and there is more details. For example, the title, the strategy they're going to take, the definition of the actual actions they want to take, and these will be sent to the people in charge of the ARM tool, which is the risk and opportunity tool, and they will put it inside the tool. So the community managers do not need to waste more time on that. So this will be subcontracted. And this is how we make it. The conclusion for this is that we're going to have anticipation for the risks and opportunities that may be encountered in the firm. The employees can speak up and have transparency about everything that is happening inside the firm. There is going to be more communication between everybody. There's only one unique tool, so there will be no confusion between the Excel file, the other tool, the template. Only the commodity managers will take care of the template, and then the rest will be taken care by other people. So there will be no confusion. They will support the business and they will support decision making in order to achieve the business objectives.